Guys, so this tree is called Omotembe in my language, and it is the sacred tree for our people. Now, when someone had committed a crime in the village and maybe they denied it, they were brought here so that they can swear. Or maybe when someone has, like, those things we had of all witches and stuff like that. So if people have done something bad in the village and they deny, so a branch of the tree is cut and put in a junction somewhere, and then people are made to cross. So whoever did the evil will be known, because after that, after they all cross, before they even get to their homes, a lightning will come down and strike whoever lied about the evil that they committed. And in another case, especially in land disputes, what used to happen is that the elders would come and stay at a place that is maybe a close distance, maybe somewhere like over there, and then they face away from the tree, and whoever did the crime will be told to come closer to the tree and undress and swear to the tree that they never did the evil, or maybe they never took away someone's land falsely. And if they did, once they leave the place, so the elders will not look at the person, but the person will come and confess at the tree. So if it's true that they took someone's land before they even get to their home, then a lightning will come from nowhere and strike that person. It doesn't matter if there's rain or not, but the spiritual powers were that powerful. A lightning will just come from nowhere. So yeah, African spirituality is such a mystery. It's such I'm still doing so much more research, but yes. And I heard that some of the branch and stuff, all these flowers are medicinal, but I'm not sure yet. So I'm going to confirm that, and maybe I'll share, just for knowledge's sake. I'm not saying that you guys should start doing these things, but I'm just trying to tell you that our ancestors had their way of doing things, and it was not necessarily evil ways, and it was not necessarily primitive ways, but they did have ways to deal with stuff. And nature was so much connected, so much a part of what we did, how we ran our social affairs, our moral affairs, and all that stuff, because we are natural beings, So yeah, nature was part and parcel of who we are as the Gusii people. Alright.